In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Shopify. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. First, head to the Products area. This is your home base for everything you sell, and it's where you'll add and manage your digital items just like physical ones. Once you're there, choose Add Product to open a fresh product page. Think of this page as the storefront listing your customers will see. Begin by entering a clear, searchable product name. Use a title that tells buyers exactly what they're getting, like Mobile Lightroom Presets, Pastel Pack, or Beginner Piano Course Level 1. Good names help with both on-site browsing and search engines. Next, write your description. For digital products, clarity is everything. Explain what's included, the file types and sizes, how customers will use the product, and any licensing or usage rights. If support or updates are included, say so. Use short paragraphs and scannable sentences so shoppers can quickly understand the value. Add media to showcase the product. Click to upload an image, ideally a clean cover or mock-up that visually represents the file. Square images often look great in Shopify themes. If possible, add a few preview images or a short teaser graphic so customers can see what they'll receive. Keep images high quality but optimized so pages load fast, and add descriptive alt text to improve accessibility and SEO. Select a product category to help organize your store and improve discoverability across channels. Choose the closest fit for what you're selling, so Shopify can apply the right attributes and make reporting more useful. Enter your price. Consider the value you're delivering, the competitive landscape, and the time saved for your customer. If you plan to run promotions, you can use a higher compare-it price to show a discount. Be mindful that taxes on digital goods vary by region, so set those preferences according to your local requirements. If you offer options, add variants. Variants work well for different file formats, license types, or tiers, such as standard versus extended. Keep the naming consistent and clear so customers can pick the right version in one click. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving locks in your work and lets you preview the product page from a shopper's perspective. Since this is a digital product, you won't manage shipping like a physical item, and many merchants use a digital delivery app to automatically send download links after checkout. Make sure your fulfillment setup matches how you plan to deliver files. That's it. You've created a polished digital product listing that's ready to sell on Shopify.